Hey, my name's Phil Clapham. I am a Surface evangelist here on the Ingram Micro stand, and I'd like to today introduce you to the Surface Hub 2S. Now, this is the product that Microsoft have released and is available to buy from Ingram Micro today. It is an evolution of the Surface Hub 1, and the big feature about this is its complete mobility. We're able to move the Surface Hub 2 around and make any space a teamwork space. The basic use case for using this, we can use it for presentation, we can use it for collaboration on Teams meetings, or we can use it for brainstorming in the whiteboard. And here we actually have a Teams meeting currently ongoing with the whiteboard. And there's a ton of cool features in the whiteboard that makes it really, really easy to use, and people can collaborate on it. It's a big feature that's spread across Windows 10, iOS, Android, and the web. Now, the really cool thing about the Surface Hub 2 is the stand. And what we're going to have is a battery pack that goes in here that makes it completely mobile. I don't know if you can see around the back. There's a network cable and there's a power cable. These can be completely removed. When the battery pack's installed, it's entirely 100% mobile, which you can move it around. It's very simple to move. 60 kilos, not even that heavy. So it's a great device if you're fitting out an office and you've got Microsoft Teams and you want people to be creative, if you want them to be in the zone, maintaining their flow state, then the Surface Hub is a great device for you to choose and use. The website is ingrammicro.com.au.